Hello friends, welcome to the Study Hub channel. Today we are going to talk about a very useful and trending topic, AI tools for students like ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Claude, and many more. These tools make learning easier, faster, and more interesting. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. This is an AI tool that answers your questions just like a human. Why is ChatGPT good for students? It helps in homework and assignments. It explains difficult topics in simple language. It creates questions and answers for exam preparation. It helps in writing essays, speeches, and presentations. It can also help in learning a new language. For example, if you type "explain photosynthesis" in simple English, ChatGPT will immediately explain it in an easy way. Now, let's talk about Google Gemini. This is Google's advanced AI tool. Special features of Gemini. It is connected to Google Search, so it gives updated information. It solves math and science problems step by step. It helps in making research projects and presentations. It can also create ideas for charts and diagrams. For example, if you ask, "Explain solar system with a diagram," Gemini will give you both the text and diagram idea. Next is Claude AI, developed by Anthropic Company. Why is Claude useful? It can read long text and create short summaries. It can make quick notes from books and PDFs. It focuses on safe and reliable answers. It is helpful for writing study guides and creative projects. For example, if you have a 50-page PDF, Claude will quickly turn it into easy notes. Apart from these, there are many more AI tools. QuillBot for paraphrasing and grammar correction. Grammarly to improve English writing. Perplexity AI for research and updated information. Canva with AI for making presentations and designs. Speechify to convert text into voice. So friends, these were some of the best AI tools for students like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and many more. These tools can make your learning easy and fast. But remember, they are only for support. Real learning and understanding should always come from you. If you liked this video, please like it. Comment which AI tool you like the most. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.